Welcome back to Surprisingly Geeky. I'm on debit, and this is LunarDawn.
Hey, we're fighting this guy. He looks like a troll. Ouch. So, Captain Quark was just being a dick and dropped us down a hole.
And now we're fighting Demon Sarlacc. No, not Sarlacc, Rancor. Kind of.
I mean, he's not just a monster, he's like a guy, because look at him, he's wearing pants. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Monsters can wear pants, though.
Well, he's somewhat sentient. Wait, is he wearing pants?
Yeah, I think those are pants. Why would he be wearing a belt and not pants?
I don't know. Why is Ratchet wearing straps around his chest, but he's not holstering anything?
Well, isn't that the strap that keeps Clank on his back?
I don't know. He had those all the time.
So maybe he knew that he was going to have a little buddy on his back. He was just waiting for him. Maybe in the reimagined origin story that's going to come out in 2015, or whenever it comes out, maybe he will have received that little holster thing as like a little baby, and like something that he's always had. And it turns out that it was given to him by Clank, who came back from the future. So,
that's passionate.
what?
That's passionate.
Is it?
I think so.
I don't think so.
If I die in this lava right now, I'll be pretty sad. Yeah, I didn't die fighting that guy.
Oh, hey. Congratulations.
Wah! I mean, in his defense, Clank did lead them here. Ratchet is justified in his anger. I think he holds on to it for too long, though.
I mean, this is like the first game, so like Ratchet still doesn't really think of himself as like a galactic protector.
No. What a long, odd thing.
I know, right? It is so weird.
Creeping me out a little bit.
It's like thoughts.
It's like someone stuck human hands on a cat. That's creepy.
Long, weird.
You're long and weird. Okay. I'm so annoyed right now.
Look at it. Yeah.
Like Mod Pie.
Mod Pie?
Pinkie Pie's sister.
Oh, right. Yeah. And get some water.
Okay. Water is good for you. People should drink more water. Chairman Drek was mad. It's too early, Naboo. Oh, you're drinking like yesterday's water? Well, can you refill it? Oh. Okay, well, if the thing goes off, then this episode's running long. Or I guess not. All I have to do is talk. Which I'm not very good at doing. From myself, all by myself. Those would be the only words to that song that I know. So there's some fun friend railing in this level. Ooh, Devastator. Yay, rockets. Woo! If memory serves. Is there a multiplier on the New Game Plus for this one? Ouch. Is Ratchet out too?
Yep. Oh no.
She heard the other one meowing. Do you remember if there's a bolt multiplier in the New Game Plus for this one?
I don't remember at all now.
Or is there a new game? No, there has to be a New Game Plus for this one. Well, I suppose not.
I like it.
I was supposed to jump through that hoop? No.
Go. I am back.
I missed you.
I miss you too.
Mwah.
Huh.
Mwah.
So, have you died since I've been gone?
No!
Awesome. Good job.
Yay! I'm going down this thing, right?
Yeah. Spoke. Seriously.
I hang my head in shame. In shame. Is shame.
Do you have to jump through those hoops?
Yes. That is what I just asked. I was like, do I have to jump? But I do.
So, I keep like burping onion,
Onion?
like oniony, garlicky stuff from the dip that I ate.
Oh, gross.
It's good dip though. Good dip. I want to eat more of it.
I won't take all of mine. Dip is good stuff though.
It is, especially when it's half price.
Half price dip is the better tasting dip.
It feels like victory. It tastes like victory.
Water's nice and cold. Because in Canada we like things cold.
Not so bad.
Yeah, but now I don't have money for my Devastator.
It's
It's a new.
gun. It would be so awesome if you used it and then you were in a giant Constructicon robot. Devastator.
Clank becomes something like that. He becomes a giant robot.
that's Surprisingly Geeky.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.